Deep within the embrace of the Atlantic forest, nestled in a secluded valley, lies a house unlike any other. Here, the focus isn't on distant horizons, but on the vibrant world that thrives just above our heads. This is a story of architecture in harmony with nature, where the built environment dances with the existing landscape. Architect Dennis Jolsons faced a unique challenge. The valley location offered no sweeping vistas, but held a hidden gem, the beauty of the forest itself. Traditional methods wouldn't do. He needed a design that respected the slope of the land and embraced the existing clearings. The solution? A series of intermediate-level terraces carved into the hillside. These plates would become the foundation for the house, creating a dynamic interplay between the structure and the surrounding environment. Sustainability was a key principle. Prefabricated wooden walls minimized environmental impact. Meanwhile, the curvilinear terraces were carefully designed to integrate seamlessly with the existing trees, acting as retaining walls while protecting the precious forest floor. The house itself is a study in contrasts. Its clean, geometric lines stand in stark contrast to the free-flowing curves of the terraces. This juxtaposition reflects a fascinating reversal. The traditionally subservient base becomes a dynamic partner, echoing the topography of the valley. Stepping inside, we find a celebration of light and space. The communal areas are situated near the entrance, basking in the warmth of the afternoon sun. As we move towards the back of the house, private rooms offer a sense of tranquility and immersion in nature. But the true magic lies in the movement. Every room boasts at least two entrances, encouraging a circular flow and a constant connection with the ever-changing forest outside. The House of the Circular Terraces is more than just a structure. It's a living testament to the power of collaboration between architecture and nature. Here, residents can truly immerse themselves in the magic of the Atlantic forest, waking up to the symphony of birdsong and drifting off to sleep under a canopy of stars. This is a house that breathes, that flows, that celebrates the very essence of its environment. It's a place where the lines between indoors and outdoors blur, creating a haven of peace and tranquility.